Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Leo， 我一直想要问你一个，在客家美食里面好像会用到一个成分哦。
什么东西
？There's a ingredient that's in Hakka cuisine. Literally, it means torn up towel. I was so afraid to have it, but then I looked it up, and it's actually called cordia or blueberries, and it's not bad. 就是破布子。
哦，烂布子哦。
客家话也是这样，烂布子就烂抹布的感觉。
不是啦。
And Hakka, it also sounds like, torn up towel, but it's actually again called cordia. 对，破布子、烂布子。有没有什么菜是可以今天介绍来煮给大家吃的？
好，我今天介绍这道菜呢，它就是用那个烂布子做成的。它这个菜名有点长哦，就叫做烂布子长条干肉件。
长条干。这是什么东西？
它就是那个长的四季豆，把它晒干的。
四季豆 green beans. Okay, so you got the cordia, you got the green beans. 然后后面什么？
肉件就是鱼肉卷。
鱼肉a fish roll. Okay, so this is a cordia fish roll. Let's see how we can cook this, all right?
好，我们就先把那个长条干拿泡水，然后沥干之后呢，把鱼肉切成片，把鱼肉沾了面粉之后呢，把那个长条干包在里面，然后这时候呢就要用那个菜瓜把它给它包起来，
还有另外一个，
然后再蒸8分钟左右。
还要蒸 ，OK， 所以菜瓜是
丝瓜。
That's the sponge cucumber. All right, so you soak up your green beans, you also slice up your fish, and then you roll it around the green beans, and also toss some breadcrumbs over it, and finally using your sponge cucumber to wrap everything up and take it in and steam it up for about 8 minutes.
我们蒸好之后呢，我们就要用那个最重要的破布子、烂布子把它加入胡椒啊、糖啊、盐啊、香油啊，把它弄成一个酱汁。蒸好之后就淋在上面，就好好吃、好香了。
There you go. I forgot about the cordia or the blueberries, and that's used as part of the sauce, where you put in your pepper, your salt, your sugar, and a bit of other spices, and you cook it into a sauce, and then you actually pour it over the fish roll as a finished product. 怎么办？越讲越饿，不行，好，赶快来吃这一道了叫做破布子四季豆鱼卷，对不对？怎么说？
烂布子长条干肉件
which literally means the blueberry green bean fish roll. And there you have it. So delicious. Go cook it up yourself. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.